Make a go to feel like me I shoot my shot. I don't like this. Geez, what am I do to myself? I don't like this.
All queens think they're fierce. That's a mistake. All queens and me.
Pretty girl got her own whip. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick.
What's up, fierce gang? I'm Tash Fierce and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and join the gang. So, as you can see, I'm by myself in this video. I will be doing something a bit out of my comfort zone, because I've said it in videos before. I've never shoot my shot before, and I do not DM people first, or I just don't know my thing. This is not my vibe. Disclaimer: if that person that I'll be DMing have DM'd me before, I will be blurring out the message, privacy purpose, not trying to put nobody out there. And why? I'm nervous for the video here, honestly. But I think what, like, I've had this video idea, I think since not saying last year, like 2019, from when the trend just came out. I've been thinking about doing it. You know what, too much rambling, let's get into the video. So I'll be DMing 60, not 100, I got 60 Jamaican artists. I'll be using this phone. It's not my regular day-to-day phone, but because I'm recording with it, so I'll be using this. Here we are on Tash's Instagram page. Okay, so we're going to the search bar now, and the first person on the list, Alkaline. So when I type him Alkaline, I'm gonna know him Instagram name. What's wrong with me? What am I going to say to him? I don't think I've DM'd him before. Yeah, as much as I love him, I just mentioned him in snaps. I've never DM'd him before. What am I gonna say though? It might me wonder what am I gonna say as if he's going to respond. Just say, you trying to be my husband? Hey, nigga, you fine. Funny. Ooh. What? So the next person is Masicka. So I'm gonna say, hey, just hey. Masicka, sorry, just hey. Popcaan. Let's say the trim really have a buzz. Yeah. Put a beat too. Next person, Javelani. So I'm gonna say, it was great shooting with you, because I did a video with him once, not for YouTube. Squash. Hey, what's up? No, when I say hey, what's up, let me know them and I talk to them casual. What do people normally send to DMs? What do people send to my DM? No, so I'm gonna send him the looking emoji. That's what people send a lot. Daddy one. I think he follow me on Instagram. And I follow him back obviously. I say, hey, I'm boring with them messenger because honestly, I don't know if I text them people. I don't DM people, and guys, honestly, intense. The thing is, what to message and say no. And probably you don't remember that. So maybe I'll just go and like say, you know. I'm gonna say, I love seeing you in suits. That sounds too flirty. I don't know if it's stress. I want this to pick up. I say, hey, sorry, just hey. Probably I hate him for saying everybody. So his brother now was. Him and sending message. I say, hey, what are you looking at? Skilly bang. Skilly bang, skilly bang, skilly bang, bang, bang. Don't grind me. We're singing in the bowl like me before I go. Okay. I say, yes, sir. Love. Now, what should I say to him? I go say, hey. Yo, why don't we even DM him? Leave him out of this? I say, hey, the freestyle bad. The freestyle tough. Yeah, man, talk to him like, you know, virgin, freestyle tough. Yeah. Dexta. Like, what am I doing? Just trying to get a response, or do I actually want, you know, shoot my shot? It's only. Okay, my message him and say, yes, yeah. My message him say, it's only. Love your music. Okay. Christy. Gold card. Gold card, I'm looking for friend, you know. I'm gonna say the gold card now. I'm gonna say the live code love no the live, let me festive up the live. Hey, let me festive up the live. Shawn star mix. Okay, so because of the message that he sent, I'm going to send another emoji, and it's going to be the looking eye and the art thing. He sent an emoji, someone responded with no, not that one. One back over and message me back already. It is 11:57 p.m. I'm only doing this part because most people probably be sleeping. So I'm gonna do this part and then tomorrow we continue. Hope me not look sleepy. I'm tired. Bounty, oh, message Bounty Jada came down. Oh, this message, Jesus Christ. Stylo G. Okay, now Stylo G is actually my friend. So you should reply. I'm gonna say, hey, bad charge. Ding dong. You also say ding. If you reply and say dong. Yo, I'm a fool, you know? Hello. Bombard. Too much of them I reply right now. I know them reply until the morning. But like some people them will reply and then I don't want to be flirting with them, and then when them respond, I'm gonna be like, oh, it's for a YouTube video, whatever. Like, I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna keep it casual. Munga, it's the Munga Honorable, representing for my ladies. Hey. Just rap on it and dance to me, girl. You know, if Loki go and shoot me shot and ask them for coming on one video. Jesus Christ, me go text Ayatine right now. My God, I know of all time, I say. Can't find Egyptian guys. Honestly, I can't bother for try. Me can't find them, so I'm gonna move on. And I don't want Instagram block me, so I really don't want to do all 60 people, Mr. Vegas. Man, baby sham. Black. Wait, what going? And I'm black, guys. This thing, I want to know what happened, why this come up, like what happened, make this message come up sometime. See, I'm baby sham there. And Nika. No, I'm finished, that's it. Alright guys, so I'm not sure how many person at the end. I will add it and let you know, because I did not DM a lot of them. It was not 60%, maybe it was 50 or less. So whoever responds so far is Was, that's Intence brother, Intence, Takeova, Gold God, Shawn Storm, Govanna. Yeah, only they respond so far. So I'll check back with you tomorrow. So it is now 12:16 a.m. and I'm going to continue tomorrow at about 5:30 or 6. Yeah. Hey guys, so I am back and it is 6:48 p.m. the following day. I got so busy and boy, I just hope no one never unsend a message because niggas love unsending messages. Niggas, especially blue tick niggas, love unsend message. I did not do 60, I did 50. So let's get to it. I put them in general. Whoever responded, I put them in general. Okay, let's get to who did not respond first. Mr. Vegas did not respond. Mavado did not respond. Who's this? Jamil, Beanie Man, Octane, Koffe. That's sad. Buju Bantan did not. I don't think any of the female responded. Stark Ashley, Rygin King, Chanel Muir, Denique, Spice, Tommylee, Moyann, in which I think that's weird. Ishawna, weird also. I was actually expecting a response from Ishawna. Sheensea did not. Jada did not. Vybz Kartel did not. And today is actually his birthday. I should have said happy birthday. Agent Sasko did not. Retical did not. Daddy One actually seen my message. Remember, Daddy One is one that followed me on Instagram and he seen my message. Like, moving on. Javelani did not respond, and then Alkaline did not respond. Cut up. My earth boy is a one. Earth. I was not expecting, but come on, a little miracle. A little, you know. Alright, so let's go to who responded. And I see someone respond and then them unsend them message. And then respond again. So I go to the bottom. The first person that responded was Govanna. So I said to Govanna, I love your music so much. He said thank you. So I'm gonna just double tap that thank you. Shawn. He said sup, oh you're so hot. Should I respond or should I just double tap? I'm gonna put a smiley face. Gold God is like, huh? They might understand why I'm there, huh? Because I said, hey, make me festive up the life. Like, Intence said, wagwan. Demarco said, hey, how are you? Me? Hot! Popcaan! My hot. That me have to say. That my have to say. You have some too. Wait, the trim really have a buzz. You have some too. Okay, calm down. Ding dong respond. I said ding, him said chop. In which I actually wanted him to say dong. I don't like that. What me say girl hot. Don't ya? Responded. So bangers and bangers, can't wait to meet you one day. Thanks, you know, bless up yourself. Okay, double tap that. Strategy, so what we go on? Strategy, I'm bad chargy. Big up yourself. May I respond to him later? Konshens said again. So I'm gonna send him this. Oh, I'll screenshot on this phone. Oh, that's what I meant. Okay, vershon respond. I said happy belated birthday. He said thanks, happy new year. I'm gonna double tap his message. Cranium responded. He said what up? This recording. Yeah, Cranium said what up. Bounty Killer said, good morning, little miss. Okay, okay. Munga said hi. Munga honorable. Representing for my ladies. Yeah. Okay. Dexta daps said thanks on. I said it's only love your music. He said thanks on with a kissy face. Double tap that. TJ responded. He said hey sup. Kacique sent a voice note.
Fox, or something similar. Yeah, man, I link it up, man. One of them there.
Yes, sir. Who is this? Chris Martin. I said, what's up? He said, tell me now. Happy New Year, by the way. Okay, quada. Quada is a little fine. Not gonna lie. It's the white pre. Okay. Skillibeng just like my message. That's all. Tavo, I don't like this for us. Skillibeng only liked my message. Liked it. Leave a little thank you. I don't like this. My vex. Squash responded. It sent a smiley face with the eye. Okay. Was responded and said, good morning, what's up? What are you saying now? First of all, okay. Well, Mr. At my hat, masicka responded, talk to me nice or don't talk twice. My hat, yeah. Masicka respond. Masicka fine, you know. Masicka fine. Fine. Like, should I shoot my moving on. Takeova responded, which song that? Hey, voice note. Video chat?
It's a video show. We have a day today. I'm so already. That me did a shout about cause. Yes, man. You see link me last night and I look through your page and I said, oh, I know that girl. Is it? That's why I link you back. Yes, man. Time all done gone, but.
I actually know Takeova personally, by the way. Like, I know him, but not like, no, know him, but I know him. Serani responded, he said, hey, love. And the last person that responded was Chroniclaw. He said, sup. And he followed me on Instagram. Yeah, some of them just went and they like a few pics. So, yeah. That's all. I think this is half of the person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Konshens are again. 23, 24, 25, 26. This is more than half. This is more than half of them responded. So I guess this video, it went well. It would be like the best video ever if Alkaline did respond. But it's okay. I'm not hurt. I'm not hurt. It's cool. It's cool. That shit is it is cool. It is cool. You got more than half a response. So even though Alkaline is the main, it's cool. It's cool. So I guess that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know the vibe. Like, I'm on here. Please don't mind my face. I'm having a really bad breakout, and I really can't bother to put on any makeup right now, or else I will be responding like 2 days after, and I don't want to do that. Niggas love unsending messages, so you know the vibe. Again, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.